HireUA.
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 Unbelievable benefits from working with you and hiring from you.
The best part was just how quick everything got lined up.
You guys basically in our corner was huge.
Many different candidates.
Quality of talent's very high.
So much easier than trying to hire off Upwork and things like that.
The overall experience was really smooth.
I definitely recommend you talk to HireUA and Kyle and his team.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Kyle. I'm the owner of HireUA, and today I've got Marcos, who's one of our clients, who was just ranting and raving about his employee Sonia, and we're going to be talking about her today. So thanks for coming on, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, totally, man. Thanks for having me.
Of course, yeah. So real quick, just kind of a quick overview of your business and what you kind of do. I know you run a ghostwriting agency. Any other info you can provide?
Yeah, so essentially we started as a ghostwriting agency, and now we specifically work with coaches, programs, courses, masterminds, B2C, BizOp offers, and we help them scale using Twitter.
Okay. Got it. And you were just saying that she's kind of become one of the backbones of your company. So can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, man. I mean, when I first started, she was doing my DMs and she was working as an appointment setter. And now, as I've grown and not needed as many clients, she has transitioned to a full-time operator and executive assistant. She's essentially the backbone of my business. She took easily 2 to 3 hours off my plate, so it allows me to focus on marketing, sales, fulfillment, retention, etc. She does so much more. I mean, she helps us get the best results for our clients. She does design, Google Sheets, docs, flows, SOPs, videos, like you name it. Total superstar.
Nice. I'm glad to hear that, man. Can you talk a little bit about the overall process with HireUA and kind of how you got started?
Yeah, totally. So I was looking for a setter, reached out. You had me go through, I think, three or four interviews with different potential people at HireUA. I mean, I think within the first interview, I was like ready to go with one. I took the other interviews out of courtesy, but yeah, no, total rock star. They were all super qualified. So it was more so just picking which one I think was the best fit for my business. Yeah, and then I picked Sonia, and like I said, total rock star.
Dude, she's doing like assistant level stuff and everything. I mean, she was just hired as a basic, like, manage the DM, set a few appointments. That's a big step up.
Yeah, my expectations were, a VA, maybe not like totally competent in like all things business, but total rock star. She's really become a part of our culture. We do team meetings every week. I do one-on-ones with her every week. I mean, I've even shared the company missions and values, and she's totally bought into our company as a whole, the mission that we go for. So yeah, really, she's become a jack of all trades, as well as what she does on a day-to-day. But like I said, backbone for sure.
Nice. I'm glad to hear that. What would you say you've saved as far as a monetary value on a per annual basis hiring Sonia via HireUA versus hiring someone in the West?
Probably 6 figures a year. Like I said, she's my executive assistant and operator, but at the moment she's really standing in the place as someone who could be a full-time fulfillment manager or someone that could be a full-time marketing manager. She's doing a lot for us. Like I said, 6 figures per year for sure. She's doing the job of 2 people, really.
And that's a part-time person.
Yeah, and she's part-time.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's wild. Well, did you already say? I don't think you did. How many hours a week are you saving with her doing the tasks that you need her to do?
Yeah, just for me alone, at least 2 to 3 hours a day, things that I would be doing. And then on top of that, like exponential things, because she's able to create Google Sheets and CRM automations for me that's like helped me save time exponentially throughout my weeks and my months. So like it's like 2 to 3 on the day-to-day, but it's got to be dozens per week when you take into account the things that she's helped create, the system she's helped me create with Google Sheets and Airtable and stuff like that.
Gotcha. So she's been able to not only just take actual tasks off your hand, but it's been able to put systems in place so that whoever you hire after her or whoever she manages after herself, she's actually then got the systems in place that they're saving a ton of money and time as well.
Right. Yeah, exactly. She's helping me create SOPs and an operations system so that if I ever have to hire someone in the future, that they'll be able to take over seamlessly.
Awesome. Glad to hear, man. Can you talk a little bit about why you would recommend working with HireUA and kind of just how we work and what your experience was?
Yeah, it's so simple. Like I said, I really just reached out to you within a day. You had people at interviews and all these things ready. You were really attentive to my needs. It helps that you've worked with such a large variety of businesses, so you have insight on all the different problems that might arise and the different problems that you can solve with your company. Would highly recommend it. I think I saw someone say like it really is just like I give you my credit card and like I have my time saved every single week. It's amazing. It's it's like saving money on a recruiter, saving money on automation, like all these different things all in one. It's hard to put into words how helpful it's been. But yeah, totally recommend it to anyone who's on the fence. Anyone who thinks that their alternative is to hire just like a VA off Upwork or anything like that would totally 1000% go with HireUA over anything like that. You're going to save hours just in headaches, but also exponentially more time with the quality of the employee that you'll get from HireUA.
Awesome, man. I don't have anything else to add to that, so thank you so much for taking time for coming on. And like he was saying, check us out, hire-ua.com, book a call, and we'll be happy to walk you through all of our processes. Thanks, Marcos. Appreciate it.